Hello guys, welcome back to Lit Quiz Lab. Today we are going to practice the 25 most important MCQs from Ahmed Ali's famous novel Twilight in Delhi. These MCQs are specially designed for BS English students, university exams, competitive exams, entry test and Viva preparation. I have made this question a little tricky and concept based so that you can prepare properly for exams. Each question will have 4 options, a short 5-second pause, then the correct answer will be revealed. So let's begin. First question is, who is the central protagonist of Twilight in Delhi? Option A Asghar, option B Mir Nihal, option B Habibuddin, option D Bundo. The correct answer is B Mir Nihal. Next question is, Twilight in Delhi was written by option A Ahmed Nadeem Kasmi, option B Bepsi Sidhwa, option C Ahmed Ali, option D Salman Rushdie. The correct answer is C. Ahmed Ali. Next question is, the novel is mainly set in option A Lahore, option B Lucknow, option C Delhi, option D Karachi. The correct answer is C Delhi. Next question is, which historical period is reflected in the novel? Option A post partition India, option B British colonial rule in India, option C Mughal golden age, option D modern Pakistan. The correct answer is B. British colonial rule in India. Next question is, who is Asghar in the novel? Option A Mir Nihal's servant, option B Mir Nihal's brother, option C Mir Nihal's son, option D Mir Nihal's friend. The correct answer is C Mir Nihal's son. Next question is, Asghar falls in love with option A Babbanjan, option B Zohra, option C Bilqis, option D Begum Jamal. The correct answer is C. Bilqis. Next question is, why does Mir Nihal initially oppose Asghar's marriage with Bilqis? Option A religious difference, option B political reasons, option C social class difference, option D age difference. The correct answer is C social class difference. Next question is, which hobby is strongly associated with Mir Nihal? Option A horse riding, option B painting, option C pigeon flying, option D poetry writing. The correct answer is C, pigeon flying. Next question is, the title Twilight in Delhi symbolizes option A beginning of new empire, option B rise of British culture, option C decline of Muslim civilization, option D industrial development. The correct answer is C, decline of Muslim civilization. Next question is, which theme is most dominant in the novel? Option A science and technology, option B romantic comedy, option C cultural decline and colonialism, option D adventure and mystery. The correct answer is C, cultural decline and colonialism. Next question is, who helped in getting Twilight in Delhi published? Option A T.S. Eliot, option B E.M. Foster, option C Virginia Woolf, option D George Orwell. The correct answer is B E.M. Foster. Next question is, Babban Jan is option A school teacher, option B servant, option C dancing girl and Mir Nihal's mistress, option D Asghar's cousin. The correct answer is C, a dancing girl and Mir Nihal's mistress. Next question is, what happens to Bilqis later in the novel? Option A, she leaves Delhi. Option B, she becomes a politician. Option C, she dies of tuberculosis. Option D, she divorces Asghar. The correct answer is C, she dies of tuberculosis. Next question is, which city's culture is nostalgically portrayed in the novel? Option A Karachi, option B Delhi, option C Hyderabad, option D Aligarh. The correct answer is B Delhi. Next question is Meet Nihal dislikes Asghar mainly because he option A studies abroad, option B wears English clothes, option C refuses marriage, option D becomes poor. The correct answer is B wears English clothes. Next question is the novel mainly highlights the conflict between option A rich and poor, option B east and west, option C science and religion, option D rural and urban life. The correct answer is B, East and West. Next question is which literary genre best describes Twilight in Delhi? Option A detective fiction, option B science fiction, option C postcolonial novel, option D gothic novel. The correct answer is C, postcolonial novel. Next question is what does Mir Nihal symbolize in the novel? Option A British modernity, option B Muslim aristocratic tradition, option C revolutionary nationalism, option D industrial capitalism. The correct answer is B Muslim aristocratic tradition. Next question is who becomes Asghar's later love interest after Bilqi's death? Option A Mushtari Bai, option B Zohra, option C Begum Wahid, option D Dilchan. The correct answer is B Zohra. Next question is the atmosphere of the novel can best be described as option A humorous and comic, option B optimistic and cheerful, option C nostalgic and melancholic, option D fantastical and magical. The correct answer is C nostalgic and melancholic. Next question is which empire's decline is indirectly shown in the novel? Option A Roman Empire, option B Ottoman Empire, option C Mughal Empire, option D Persian Empire. The correct answer is C, Mughal Empire. Next question is what is the major symbol of lost freedom and peace in the novel? Option A river, option B sword, option C pigeons, option D palace. The correct answer is C, pigeons. Next question is what kind of relationship exists between Mir Nihal and Asghar? Option A friendly and modern, option B conflict between generations, option C political rivalry, option D business competition. The correct answer is B, conflict between generation. Next question is the novel ends with option A national independence, option B a royal celebration, option C Mir Nihal's death, option D Asghar leaving Delhi. The correct answer is C Mir Nihal's death. Last question is the language and style of Ahmed Ali in the novel are best known for being option A scientific and technical, option B dry and formal, option C poetic and descriptive, option D simple journalistic prose. The correct answer is C, poetic and descriptive. So, students, these were the 25 most important MCQs from Twilight in Delhi by Ahmed Ali. If you prepared these questions properly, they will help you a lot in university exams, Viva, quizzes, and semester preparations. And yes, the complete detailed lecture on this novel has already been uploaded on the channel. I will add the lecture link in the description box, so make sure to watch the full lecture for themes, character analysis, symbolism, and critical analysis. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Lit Quiz Lab for more English literature lectures and MCQs practice sessions. Best of luck for your exam. See you in the next lecture.